Look at this 2009 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Carfax has certified this Silverado 1500 as having one owner. This Silverado 1500 has just under 9,500 miles. For your protection, a warranty is available for this vehicle. This vehicle gets 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 20 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 4.3-liter engine, and has an automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power steering, CD player, air conditioning, driver airbag and daytime running lights. Call 866-655-8722 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.